Today we are making chicken shawarma. Let's begin. In a bowl, add half a kilogram of chicken. Into that, add a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, pepper, half a teaspoon salt, 1 clove garlic. Mix and let the chicken marinate for at least 3 hours. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, mix half a cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until well combined. Time to cook the chicken. Take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And once that's heated, add the chicken pieces to that and cook until tender. Once the chicken is ready, it's time to assemble our shawarma. Now take your pita bread and spread your yogurt sauce. And now add vegetables of your choice. Here we have tomatoes, lettuce, and gherkins. On top of that, add your chicken, wrap it, and serve. Enjoy! For more amazing recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit us at lookandcook.com.